Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to look how we can install FileZilla. To install FileZilla, let's search in Google and click this first link. Now this is the web page for FileZilla. Now we want to install FileZilla on either Windows or Mac or Linux. So let's go to download here. Click on this. You will see a new page. For Windows, do not click on this. To get the right version, click on Show Additional Download Options. From here, you can choose any download depending on whether your machine is Windows or Mac or Linux. So I have a Windows 64-bit machine. I'm going to download this one. Let's open this. I agree. You can choose whether you want to install for only your user or for all user in your machine. Let's do for all user. Next. Next. Okay, start FileZilla now and finish. So what this will do, this will open up a window like this. Now here you can log in and get all your files, whatever files, assignments, tutorials you have in your Ubuntu machines in the ECC. You can get all those files, all the assignments and all the tutorial files. Now I'll make a new video once I have the username and password. So I will make a new video and will show that how you can get all your data from the ECC machines. Hey guys, now we are going to see how we can use FileZilla to get our files from ECC, all the files that you have in ECC machines. Now to get those files, let's open FileZilla and let's log in this host here. Type nx login dot engr dot unr dot edu. The username is your net ID and the password is your net ID password. The port number is 22. Let's do a quick connect. Okay. Now see here, nfs/home/rdube, that is my net ID. Now if you see here, that is all the directories that you have. For example, I have desktop directory here where I have one folder named 381. I have downloads from where I'm going to get my files. So when I double click on downloads, I have these files. Now let's say I want to transfer this as2.zip or the other file. Now what I can do, I can just drag, I can click on this and drag to this side. Now to download your files in a specific folder, here at local site you can choose which directory you want. Currently I have selected desktop. That means whatever files I will drag from here, that will be stored in desktop in my local machine. Now I'm going to drag this as2.tz. Let's click on it and drag. Now look at here, connecting to rdube@nxlogin.engr.edu. This will copy the files from ECC machine to my local machine. Okay, file transfer finished. Now let me go to my desktop and I should see this file. This is the file. This is my desktop. See here, I have this AS2 file that I got from my ECC machine. Now I want this file in the virtual machine. So to do that, let's open VMware, click CS381 VMware. Okay, now here all of you should have this account name user. Click on this. The password is student. This will show you a Ubuntu interface. Okay, this looks so small. Okay, this is slow. Now to get the file that you get from your ECC machine to your local desktop, from your local desktop to the VM virtual machine, what you can do is open the folder. For me it's a desktop. Just copy this, copy, and go to your virtual machine and paste. If you do that, I have already done that. That's why I have this AS2. Okay, let me delete it and paste again. So you should get this zip file here. Now you can extract here and you will get the files, the extracted file, this. Now here you have all the header files and here all the source files.